Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And yes, I'm super excited, super happy that I got these shoes. And yes, they look a lot daring, and of course that made me want them because I really love unmatching shoes. But these, as I always say, I hope that I will wear them more, but I probably will only use them like once or twice. But I'm mainly happy that I got them for the right price.
Hip
So to keep the story short, before even showing you the shoes, so the Lamello MB.02, the first pair cost like $120. I'm talking about Sweden now, so in kroners, whatever. I think it was $120. Then 140, 150, and then all of a sudden these for $200 plus shipping $10. So that got me sort of, what is the big deal with these shoes? I have no idea at all. The material is the same, yada yada yada. So I expected them to go on sale because they are so lively. It's not for anybody to wear. But they sold out. Some places got them for $180, $189, $200, $210. So the place that were the most expensive with them, I knew that they were going to end up on sale because they have been out there for like 2 months, I think. And they got on sale, and the sale didn't work in my size for some reason. So I didn't get them. But then we have SoleStory that I texted in the beginning of June and asked about these shoes. They are releasing them tomorrow, and I got them early. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm super happy. So let me show you the shoes. So here we have them, and oh, they are so cool. So when I first saw them, I assumed that BU is Puma's thing of Nike's Be True. So this whole LBTQ whatever, and this is the second version of Puma LB Be True, or sorry, BU. The first one people thought were sort of a what off, where they combine the different drops in a unmatching shoe. But no, this is as simple as just be yourself. No matter what you look like, no matter if you're unmatching or weird looking or like Jeopard or Leopard or whatever, just be you no matter what. And I think that is super cool. So very colorful shoes, very, and not for everyone, and no hype at all. I can't say that because they sold out even in all sizes. But I haven't seen Puma write anything special about them. Tell us the story, the BU story. Maybe they did with the MB.01, but not with these. And they are so cool. Just that we even have unmatching laces, which I think is the right thing to do. No extra laces, no, that's it. But they are super cool. I have another pair of MB.02, the slime ones, and they were kind of tight. So I'm guessing these are that as well. But I will wear them, I will tear them, I will make them fit my feet because I think they are so super cool. Somebody called them Galaxy something, but I believe that that's another model where we have this Galaxy. I think this is the Galaxy part. So you could say that this is sort of a what-off shoe. I don't know if we have seen an MB.02 with that print. But no matter what you want to call them, they are super cool. So if you are afraid to be shown to get looks on your sneakers, this is not for you. But for me, I find these amazing. So yeah, I'm super happy that SoleStory got them. Maybe a bit late, but I don't care because I got them and for the right price, $150. That is the right price for these. So they're dropping tomorrow, SoleStory.se, all sizes, and for the right price. They are so cool, so cool. Let's put them on feet. So yeah, I put them on the wrong way because I'm so silly that I want to keep the original knot, and you shouldn't do that. You should untie them completely and then put them on. And yes, they are tight, but once again, I haven't even untied them the first time, which you absolutely should. And they are tight because they are a performance basketball shoe. So yeah, sure, if you can go up half a size. No, I don't complain at all. I say the same with the slime. Might be a bit tight to put on, but that's only because of I don't want to lace them, untie them and tie them again. Oh man, they are so cool. But when on foot, they are really, really good. So in general, I highly recommend the Puma Lamello basketball shoes. Both the MB.01 and 02. I really do like them. And these, I'm just waiting for a special occasion to use them. I hope I will wear them as a daily shoes because I think they are really cool. So 9th of September, 9 in the morning, they drop at SoleStory.se. So 9/9 is the Nike sneakers day, but we don't care about Nike at all at the moment. Because today we are super happy with the Puma shoes. Dropping tomorrow, 9th of September, 9 o'clock in the morning, SoleStory.se, and I am super happy.